All right, guys, let's cover the schedule section. This is usually a section I like to visit after I've set up some templates. So this basically allows you to schedule what you want to transpire in TAT throughout the trading day. And we'll cover sort of some key sections. So the first one is you want to understand which schedule you are actually editing. And if you drop this down, you'll see you have some, quite a few choices. Essentially, you could have, you know, alternative one could be like a Tuesday, alternative to Wednesday, and so on. So you could essentially have a different schedule for every single day, or it could be based on like a VIX level and so on. So you have the ability to change or add and take away things on different schedules. Simply adding a specific trade to a schedule is quite simple. You just go to the add button, you select it, you select, what you want to add, its quantity. Let's say it's 5. Execution time, meaning what time in the day do you want this to execute? And obviously, like I mentioned in my previous training videos, I run everything on Eastern Standard Time. So let's say it's like 12:20. And how many minutes do you want TAT to try to get into this trade? So let's say I usually go with 3 to 5 minutes, days to execute, and then conditions. So it's going to look for specific conditions that I've pre-created. For this one, it's going to be none, so I just leave it as none. But I do have conditions, and if this is the none part, and then if there's a failure in that condition, do you want an alternative template to fire? And then you could select that in here as well from your existing created templates. And then status is active. You select that count you need, and then you go to save schedule. And now it has appeared 1220, 5 units, an all in an open type of trade. Now, additionally, you want to look at, being able to edit a specific time frame. That's not a problem as well. You just select edit, and you'll be able to, quickly edit it. You could duplicate that trade. Meaning, if let's say you have multiple tranches of the same thing, you just duplicate it, change the time, and you'll be able to have it run multiple times throughout the day. And then active features, so meaning you could enable and disable things quite easily here. So you go to disable, and it's now false. So yeah. Now, additionally, you'll be able to delete things right here, or you could copy a specific template to a new schedule. So meaning you just select it, and then you go to select the schedule you want to copy to, and it will create a new, essentially, you just, and you see it says one item copied. Then you go to number 3 and disable it, and that's it. And that's basically the scheduling section. So you'll be able to sort of manipulate a number of different schedules and a number of different templates for each one. That's it.